Welcome to another installment of the Dad Bod Workshop. Today we're going to be working on this snowblower. This is a two-stage snowblower. I got this probably 10 to 15 years ago. It's been really good. It's a PowerMore 208cc, and it's an MTD by Yard Machines. But recently it started leaking oil, and I can't figure out from the exterior where it's leaking. And the easiest thing to start fixing this is just going to be taking the engine off. I'm going to be taking the engine off for two reasons: make it easier to replace those gaskets, and if for some reason I get in there and something's broken, I can put a different engine in its place. While that's draining, we can go ahead and start taking off this belt cover. We need to also detach this system here from here to make it a little bit easier to work around, because we're going to be taking this plate off. This pin comes out, so it can slide out like that. Go. Let's take these belts off, because we're going to be taking off this pulley next. Sometimes you can slide this off, sometimes you may have to take the pulley off first. That one came off easy enough, but that next one down feels like it's, well, I'll take it off with the pulley. All I'm doing here is I'm just relieving the tension on this belt. I'm putting a wrench on that tensioner so I can slide this off, just like that. Looks like that was making it stick as well. Okay, to access those bolts for the engine, we need to open up this bottom service panel. Looks like there's just 4 bolts that'll hold this on, and then it'll basically unhinge from this side. Now we can get access to those 4 bolts. Those are for the engine. And I'm going to take the bottom 2 out first, and then slowly take out the top 2, because this should be the last thing holding the engine in place. Once we get it just about out. I'll actually put this back down on its wheels. That way the engine's being supported by the frame. There we go. And there's the engine out. Thanks for joining us on another episode of the Dad Bod Workshop.